You have an email and you'd like to create an event, an appointment, or even a task from it. You don't have to start from scratch. You can have a shortcut that will help you do this quicker. Let's take a look how. Okay, so I'm in my inbox here, and there's a couple ways to do this one. What I can do is the easiest is just take the email and drag it and drop it onto the navigation. So you can see it's letting me drop it onto the calendar icon, but not the Copilot, not contacts. Okay, for some reason it's not letting me do tasks, but it should. But I can put it onto calendar, and there we go. I've got my calendar, and it's attached it. And I can then complete the different options, which means that everybody who receives or is invited to this event will be able to see this attachment and the email. Okay, the second way to do this, I'm just going to close this, and that's it. The second way is by showing the MyDay, and it's this one here. It's this pane down the side. Okay, so this pane here allows me to view my calendar and tasks. You can see they're at the top, and I can drag and drop this as an event or as a task. Okay, so there we go. That's it. It was just a bit slow, so now it's added it in as a task. Now I can add another one in, and this one I can have it as an event. And then it comes up and shows me the email. So the difference was when I dragged and dropped it up to the top to the calendar icon in the navigation, it added it as an attachment, but when I add it into the My Day pane, it shows it as the body of the event or the appointment. Okay, great. And then you would just create as normal and save. So that's how you can quickly create calendar events or appointments and tasks from your inbox. There is another way that you can do this. If you right mouse click at the very bottom, you have advanced settings and you have create task. That also does the same thing. Okay, so if you're a right mouse click kind of person, that one might be the one for you. If you'd like to see more of my tips, there should be a link at the top corner to my 50 tips, 50 time-saving computer tips, which is free to watch. And if you enjoyed this video, do click on the thumbs up. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more videos, then do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.